In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a README file to your GitHub repository, whether you're creating it from scratch or adding it to an existing repository. We'll explore both the web interface method and the local repository method, giving you a flexible approach based on your preferences. Let's start with the first method, which is using the GitHub website. When you begin by setting up a new repository, GitHub provides a straightforward way to add a README right off the bat. During the creation process, you'll notice a checkbox that says Add README. By selecting this option, GitHub conveniently initializes your repository complete with a readme.md file. This is a simple and quick way to get started and maintain clarity about your project's aim and usage. Now, if you've already created your repository and it doesn't yet have a README file, don't worry, it's still an easy fix. Head over to your repositories page on GitHub. Look for the Add File button and select Create New File from the dropdown. When naming this file, simply use readme.md. This step is crucial as the naming convention allows GitHub to recognize and display this file prominently on your repository's main page. Once you've named the file, you should add some content. Markdown is typically used as it allows you to format text in a way that's both straightforward and visually organized. After adding your content, scroll down and hit the Commit Changes button. This action finalizes the addition of your README to the repository. With the file added, GitHub automatically showcases the content provided it's located in the root.github/ or docs directory. Switching to our second method, let's talk about how to add a README from your local computer using Git. Suppose you already have a local copy of your repository, or you're planning to work on it from your system. You'll begin by navigating to your project folder. Once there, you can create your README file using a simple command. Type touch readme.md into your terminal. Alternatively, if you prefer editing directly, open this new file in your favorite text editor and add your content, again ideally using Markdown for best practices and presentation. After you've created and edited your README file, it's time to stage and commit it. To do this, use the command git add readme.md, followed by git commit m add readme. Staging prepares your changes to be committed, and the commit itself saves them in the version history. Finally, push these changes to your GitHub repository using git push. This action updates the remote repository, and when you next view your project on GitHub, your README file will be there, clearly displayed for all to see. There you have it. 2 efficient ways to ensure your GitHub repository includes a README file, providing a welcoming introduction and essential guidelines for anyone interacting with your project.